Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove watermark on KineMaster. So let's open KineMaster and select a background. Then go to layer media and select any video that you want. Then crop the then select a video from only just below the made with KineMaster. Next move to okay, play the video whether it is okay or not. Then save the video. It is a spotting. Come on. Save the video. Then open iMovies. Open iMovies. After place create a movie. Choose that video which is made from KineMaster and select it. Just pitch into zoom video, select and make to remove KineMaster watermark. Subscribe my channel for more videos and like and share.